Hey everyone, in this video let me show you how to connect data to a Tableau. Data is very important. You should learn how to load data from different sources. Well, in this video I'll be showing you how to connect Excel file into this Tableau. So we have a different options to load a file, that is Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON, PDF and many more. And not just that, you can also load data from databases and also from a cloud services. So here, let's see how to load Excel file into this Tableau. Just click on this Microsoft Excel and select the file that you want to load. I just selected and let me say open. It takes few minutes in order to load our data. Well, so once it loads data into a Tableau, you can see the table here. So it clearly shows what all columns you have, what's the data type, everything will be shown here. And at the bottom, you can see this go to worksheet or a sheet 1. Just click on this. Well, so whatever data you have loaded, everything will be seen here. So when I say data, there will be three types of data. One is a text kind of data will be represented in the form of ABC, that is a text. If it's a geographical data, next to that columns, it represents, the global symbol. If it's a date kind of data, then you can see the calendar symbol. If it's a numerical data, then you're gonna see as symbol. This is how you understand what type of data you have once you load data into this Tableau. This is a pretty simple. We have a show me here. Show me basically represents all the available graphs in a Tableau. So if you want to plot any graph, let's say I'm interested in plotting map, you can see here, if you don't know which variable to choose in order to plot a graph, so what you can do, you can just select any graph that you want here. So it basically tells you which numerical variable or how many dimensions, how many measures are important in order to plot any graph. That information you'll get it here. Let's say you want to plot a pie chart. So pie chart requires one dimension and a one measure. Well, so dimensions are basically the text kind of data. Measures are basically a numerical data. You can see here. And if you want to plot a histogram, it says you require one measure. So here is a sheet 1. Here you can give a title, you can edit, you can format, and many things could be done. So if you want to give a title, let's say something I'll just say a pie chart. You can just format, you can just increase the size, you can change the, color, you can make it bold, you can make it central alignment and say okay. And if you want to give a background color for this sheet, you can just right click on a format, and go to this shading part, and here you can select the color for the worksheet. Well, we got a background color. This is how we load data into this Tableau, and this is how you understand what variables we have. And also this show me gives information about what all graphs available in this Tableau, and also when to use different graphs. That information you're gonna get in this show me. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.